Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add Bing to Chrome. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.bing.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bing if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top right corner, we have your profile. And we have all of the information here also about your profile. We have the search bar in the very middle of the screen and the news in the bottom. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add Bing to Chrome. So first of all, launch the Google Chrome browser on your computer and click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner and go to More and then Extensions. In the extensions page, click on the Search Extensions box and type Bing. Then when you have typed Bing there, click on the Microsoft Bing homepage and search extensions. Then click on Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. Once installed, you can set Bing as your default search engine by going to Settings, Search Engine, and selecting Bing from the drop-down menu. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.